Hey, I'm Ryan with One of the Discovers, and today we're going to check out the Unify U6-IW, which is basically an in-wall access point that Unify offers. They currently have an older version that I have in one of my rooms, and they have the Wi-Fi 6 version, which I have, and they also have the Wi-Fi 7. So I chose to just do the Wi-Fi 6 because the APs that I got recently are Wi-Fi 6. Just looking to upgrade from the original 5 to the 6, and 7 will come way down the road. So let's see what's in the box. So you can see the access point here, and what's nice is that you can actually unfold, and we have the main access point here, which you're able to mount onto the wall, just a regular like low voltage wall plate. This is really nice metal. The other one I had was definitely not metal, but you can see here that it'll mount on your low voltage wall plate, and there's many different configurations you can use here to fit your needs. So that's nice. This is metal. Then it also comes with a nice level. And then you have your screws for mounting. And then in here you have like a tiny installation guide that unfolds with a QR code, safety notices, all that good stuff. Definitely feels solid. So once you have this mounted, it goes right here. And if you ever want to get this off, there's basically a slot here to eject it. What's really nice about an upgrade from the original in-wall with this one is you have 4 gigabit Ethernet ports here. So you power it in the back with power over Ethernet. So you have one port here that can power like a camera or another power over Ethernet. And then you have 3 other ports that you're able to utilize. So looking forward to getting this installed and having more Wi-Fi 6 access points. I only have one left that isn't Wi-Fi 6, so it'll be a great addition. Now let's check out the installation. So right now in the family room, I have this Nano AP hooked up to wall Ethernet that I have. So I'm gonna take this off and I'll show you the low voltage plate. So you can see the low voltage plate here, and I just have this keystone jack going to Ethernet in the back. So I'm gonna have to take this off and then I'll plug that into the AP. And there's a hole here and a hole here. And so with these holes on the plate, you basically just screw it into those 2 screws. Now, if you wanted to, you could stick this in here and use the level. I'm just gonna eyeball it, especially since I'm just afraid that this wire is gonna fall down the wall. So I got the wall plate ready to go, and I'm just gonna swap that Ethernet cable onto this and then push it right into the wall plate. And there you go, it's booting up. So there you have it, all installed, and no more wires sticking out to an AP up here. So I hope this helped showing you what comes in the box and my installation. Again, would highly recommend these if you already have Ethernet going to your rooms. It's super easy to hook one of these up and expand your network, and I think it's a cool product that they've come out with in the past few years. So thanks for watching, and let me know if you have any questions.